Use your handbrake then, Bill. Go down there. You only use your handbrake when you slow it down.
Yeah.
That's in trouble. I'm not even, I just tickle it. You want to get him on the street, really, don't you? Is that good? Hey? If he stays there, he'll pull him and stop.
That's good, isn't it? Go back, Bill, that's it. Lift your foot. Greg, Luke wants to have a go. Let Logan have a go. You got to steer mind, Luke. Don't forget to use your handbrake. Here's your handbrake, Luke. There. Pull that to slow down when you're going too close to the car. He looks like he's shitting himself. Oh.
He's not big to join in.
Let me go down the road a minute, let me record it coming down. That's nuts.
Strong one, isn't it?
Yeah, clever.
You're literally just tickling it as well.